Now notice here, a couple of really small muscles, but they're so important. These little muscles are called the rectus capitis posterior minor muscles. And their main job is to keep the top vertebra, the atlas or the C1 vertebra, in correct alignment. But what happens from the traumas that we get ourselves into, sitting in uncomfortable chairs, plane rides, going to Costco and schlepping luggage, carrying grandkids, what can happen is the atlas vertebra can misalign, and this causes a compensatory, to prevent you from getting worse, tension in the neck muscles, that RCPM muscle, and then perpendicular right to that muscle, there is a connective tissue bridge. What you got to understand is that connective tissue bridge anchors directly into the dura mater. The dura mater is the skin, like a protective skin, along the brain, the brain stem, and the rest of the spinal cord. But when that atlas vertebra is misaligned, headaches can be chronic. They can last for years because of the subtle misalignment of that top vertebra in the spine. Whether you've played football or soccer, you've had a whiplash from a car accident, maybe you wiped out while you were surfing, maybe you fell on your head while you were in the desert playing around, birth trauma, even back to before you even remember. Whatever the case is, if you're having pain in your neck right now, there's a very strong chance that the problem is coming from a misalignment in your neck. Okay, especially the top couple of vertebrae in your neck. Think about it. You have all this mobility up here in your neck, but with extra mobility, there's less stability, which makes this area extra injurious compared to the mid back and the lower back.